Hi guys, welcome to the Art of Automotive. Today we got a 2001 Chrysler Town & Country. See, what the customer said is that it's idling rough, it's shaking.
Yeah, so we're putting a scanner on it. We got it hooked up, and we're reading the codes. That's the basic here, and it says PO 353 ignition coil number 3 primary circuit. So we're saying the number 3 is the problem. So the way that this engine works is you got 1, 2, no, it's 1, 3, and 5. Those are your cylinders, and these are 2, 4, and 6. So this here is supposed to feed number 3. So according to the code, we got no spark or something's going on here. So we're gonna turn the car on. So we got the car on, and as you can see, it's shaking. But we got spark on number 3. Although we're getting the code 353 that the computer detecting cylinder number 3 is the problem, in reality is this cylinder number 2. We got nothing going on here. So we're gonna replace the ignition coil and come back and see if we take care of the problem. So the way we replace this coil is we take these bolts off. I already loosened them. This one off. Where'd it go? Here it is. This one off. And this comes out. There's actually another bolt right here that gets loosened up. And it looks like somebody was already in here because they forgot to put a bolt here. So, yeah, so the way this goes is just 1, 2, 3, and it's got 4 bolts, but one is already missing. So we'll start taking those bolts off. Okay, that's one bolt, one nut. Right here. And then we got one more over here. We can get in here. That's it. And then we got this one. Pretty long bolts. Yeah, kind of long bolts. There it is. So now we bring it up. Okay, on these they have this little security thing here. So you just grab either a flat screwdriver and push it upward. I will grab it quick. Like that. And you squeeze this. Something is in there. And you gotta play with it. There, see? And that's all to it. This is the coil. Right here. This is the coil. Just plugs in there. Cylinder 6, cylinder 4, cylinder 2, cylinder 5, 1, and 3. Okay? So this is the one that they were saying that was no good. In reality, this is the one that we get nothing. So we're gonna replace it. Put a new one. So now we're putting the coil. Play with this a little bit. Make sure it lines up. Okay, put this connector in there. Make sure it goes all the way in. So we're gonna put the bolts and all that stuff. Okay. Now we're gonna connect the wires. Okay, so this was number 2. Just gonna make sure that we get the spark. Okay. So this is number 4. And this is number 6. Just like that. This one came out of here, number 5. And we got this one came out of here. Missing one here. That's number 3. Make sure you don't mix them up. This is number 3. You just gotta feel the wires. Sometimes you mix them up. This is 3. And this one's here. Okay. So we're gonna turn it on. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, as you can see, there's no more shaky. It's running nice, smooth. We got spark. So that was the problem, just ignition coil. Thanks again for watching The Art of Automotive. Until next one, bye.